On today's episode, Hardcore Harley will do an unboxing and a first impression review on this bad boy, the Death Skull Battle Axe from Sword and Armory. What's up, people? Hardcore Harley here. Package just arrived for me, and pretty sure this is my battle axe that I ordered a few weeks ago. Just gonna open it up here with my trusty knife. How is this supposed to open? Open this up. I don't think that's the way it's supposed to open. Oh, there we go. I can feel it loose inside there. I don't know why it's loose. It should have a case or something. Okay, yeah, that's in a box. Ugh. So that's the box that it came in. What's this? Take 10 special offer 10% off Sword and Armory. Okay. Maybe a little switchblade away. Let's take a look at it. Ooh, looks pretty good. Holy shit, looks like it got like, yeah. Look at that. Oh, that's a fucking battle axe, man. Whew. Let's just set that down right there. Look at that. Nice. Real chainmail. Holy cow, this thing is heavy. Holy cow. Look at this thing. Stainless steel. Fuck yeah, this is a heavy duty fucking axe. You could definitely chop wood with this thing. Definitely, no problem. There's nothing flimsy about this thing. It's heavy duty axe, man. Yeah, everything, it's super sharp too. It's got plastic on the blades and on the spike. See if I can I gotta be really careful. I end up fucking cutting myself. This thing is fucking intense. Holy shit. I don't know how I'm gonna get that off, actually. That's not that good. Yeah, that's my fucking battle axe.